If you're seeing a fix itch.io error 403 message, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest ways to troubleshoot it and get back to browsing or downloading normally. A 403 error usually means access is being blocked for one of a few common reasons, and the good news is that most of them are easy to fix without needing any technical experience. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, refresh the page on itch.io. This is the simplest fix, but it often works if the site is having a temporary issue, or if the page didn't load properly the first time. If the error still appears, wait a few minutes and try again, because the server may just be down or under heavy load. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause access errors and prevent the page from loading the way it should. Try opening another website to make sure your connection is working properly. If other sites are loading fine, then the problem is probably specific to itch.io or the page you're trying to reach. After that, double-check the URL. Sometimes a 403 error appears simply because the link is incorrect, incomplete, or pointing to a page you don't have permission to access. Make sure there are no extra characters, missing parts, or outdated links in the address bar. Another useful step is to disable your VPN or proxy. Some websites restrict traffic from certain locations, and a VPN can make itch.io think your connection is suspicious or blocked. Turn it off temporarily, refresh the page, and see if the error disappears. If you're using a proxy, disable that as well, and test again. Then, clear your browser cache. Old stored data can sometimes interfere with how a page loads, especially if itch.io has recently updated something on their side. Clearing the cache gives your browser a fresh start and can remove broken or outdated files that may be causing the 403 error. Once you've cleared the cache, restart your browser and try the page again. If the issue still continues, try opening itch.io in a different browser or an Incognito window to rule out browser-specific problems. In many cases, one of these quick fixes will solve the issue right away. So to recap, refresh the page, wait a few minutes if the server may be down, check your internet connection, verify the URL, disable VPN or proxy, and clear your browser cache. These are the most effective first steps for fixing an itch.io error 403. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.